Hello kids, in this video we will discuss about maps and directions. As we know that India is famous for tourism. People from various countries visit India to see historical places, monuments, hill station and etc. Do you know kids, how do they find the location? Means, how do they move from one place to another? Yes, they use maps. Now, what are maps? A map is a flat drawing of the earth or of any part of it. For example, map of a park. We can draw a map of a park near our home. If you want to visit near Karnal, we can use the map of Karnal district. Dear kids, if you want to move from one state to another, we need map of India. Similarly, we need map of world if we want to move from one country to another. Most maps include a symbol called a compass rose. Compass is a navigational tool for finding directions. It consists of a magnetic pointer that moves freely and aligns itself to Earth's magnetic North Pole. It also shows 4 directions. They are North, South, East and West. These directions are called cardinal directions. It also shows intermediate directions. They are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. So these are intermediate directions. So children, now we will focus on the types of maps. There are 5 types of maps. They are road map, weather map, grid map, physical map and political map. So now one by one we will discuss all these maps. So first one, we will talk about road map. A road map shows national and state highways, major roads connecting various cities and towns, airports and railroad tracks. These maps are usually used for directions while driving. Next we have weather map. A weather map indicates the weather condition and patterns of cities, states and countries. Next is grid map. A grid map has a set of squares or a grid which are used to locate places. Each location uses a letter and a number on the grid. Fourth one is physical map. A physical map indicates the various geographical features of a state or country. These are mountains, hills, plains, deserts, rivers, lakes, seas and oceans. Last one is political map. A political map shows the boundaries of a state and countries, major towns as well as cities. A capital city is usually marked with a star within a circle on a political map. Dear children, when we use a map, we see different kinds of map symbols. So now let's talk about them. Map symbols are used to represent the real objects on map. And all maps have a key or a legend in the corner. The legend or key explains the symbol used on a map. Both shapes and colors are used as symbols. For example, a star is usually marked to represent a state capital. Star within a circle represent national capital. Dot represent major cities and a broad horizontal line shows the country border. So these are the few examples which are shown on the map. I hope children you have understood and you liked the video. Thank you.